Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a CSV file in Google Colab. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to Google Colab, and then once we're here, I want to go ahead and click on File and then click on New Notebook in Drive. So you just go ahead and click onto that. Now once we've done that, we should come to a page that looks similar to mine once it loads. So it says start coding or generate with AI. Now what we need to first write here is from Google Colab, import files, then hit enter. Now on the next line we need to type in uploaded space equals space files dot upload, and then hit Control plus enter, and that's going to go ahead and run that. So as you can see, it's running. Alright, now once you've done that, it's going to say here choose files or cancel upload. Now go ahead and click on choose files and open up or add that CSV. So I've got this CSV here. So as you can see, I've uploaded that CSV into Google Colab. Then from here we need to go ahead and add another code. So go ahead and just click on add code. Then you're going to get another line here that says start coding or generate with AI. Then add in import pandas as PD, and then go ahead and click on the run button here, and then add another code block and type in import space IO and then hit enter. df space equals space pd dot read underscore csv IO. Now we need to type in bytes here, bytes IO, so it should recognize that, and then close that bracket, and then add another bracket and type in uploaded. Now we want to add in a square bracket after this. Now after the upload with the square bracket, we need to put in that CSV name. So for me it's going to be tutorial space wiz.csv here. And then you want to close that bracket off with a square bracket like so, which I've already done. Then once you've done that, just make sure that is spelt correctly from up here, and then go ahead and click onto run. So if you got any errors like this, like with mine, I did this intentionally, what we can do, we can click onto explain error here, and then it's going to go ahead and fix your error. So with me, this is the error here, but this is how I need to go ahead, and because I didn't spell the name correctly, I should have done tutorial is final dash tutorial is .csv. So that's what it's picked it up. Now what I want to go ahead and click on accept. And now if I run it again, there is no errors because I've got the name correct. So that's why it's vital to have that name correct here. Now from here, we need to go ahead and add another code line. So it says start coding and generate with AI. Now from here, we need to type in df dot head and then add in double brackets and then run that. Now from here, it's going to pop out that CSV file like so.